everybody, this is me Sunishi and welcome to my channel and welcome to this vlog. I have no clue इस vlog का title क्या होने वाला है. It's Unnati's birthday vlog, it's Unnati's birthday preparation haul. I don't know, ठीक है, क्योंकि I really don't know this vlog कैसे जाने वाला है. Is it going to be in parts? Is it going to be a whole video? क्योंकि मैंने सोचा है but I cannot still figure out. Also, this is not how I roam at my home every day. It was that I was shooting for a video, I was shooting for a look on Instagram, so that's why मैं ऐसी लग रही हूँ. So if you want to check it out, why and what did I create it, go and follow me on Instagram at the about Sunishi. The link is in the description. Go, check it out and follow me so that you don't miss any of my creations and a lot of many things. करवानी किसी को चेंज. We have planned some things for Unnati for her birthday to make it special because it's her birthday. She deserves to be treated like the queen of the world. And of course, I've known Unnati since forever. She joined my school in class 3rd and since then we've been friends. And yeah, we have had our own shares of ups and downs. So we are friends, we've glued together and I love her so much. And all of our friends love her so much. So we thought why not to make this lockdown birthday special for her because this corona is very demotivating and yeah, I know it's going to be so special for her because I mean, you know, like she's a person who is more about feelings and emotions and other than fancy gifts. So that is my friend Unnati. Portray a very good picture of her because she is a very good human. So basically I'm going to vlog everything and I'm going to go and change and clean myself and then I am going to tell you the plan. Hi guys! So I'm back. Sorry. पागल हो गई हूँ मैं. नॉट गonna lie, ये वो दिन नहीं है, ये दूसरा दिन है, ये बहुत दिन बाद है. 3 दिन बाद उस दिन I got very busy. उसके बाद हाँ, I just got lazy. Sorry Unnati, I love you. So now I'm gonna tell you the plan. ठीक है, plan क्या है birthday का. Wait, let me find it. मैंने ये डायरी में लिखा है. हाँ, मैं कभी कभी लिख लेती हूँ ऐसे. So yeah, here it is. So basically plan ये है कि we are gonna make some series. तो series बनानी है. सीरीज़ मतलब नॉर्मल सीरीज़ जो होती हैं एंड हम उसमें ना ब्लैक एंड वाइट पिक्चर्स. उन्नति के 3 फेवरेट आर्टिस्ट है, टेलर, जस्टिन एंड बिली. तो हम उन तीनों के ऐसे कोलाज बना के मतलब बनाएंगे. एवरीथिंग आई डू इज गोना कम इन दिस व्लॉग. So yeah, so I kind of feel like आपको एक rough idea आ गया होगा. So then there's this 1 to 19, she's turning 19. So पहले ना idea ये था कि हम उसके डोर पे से 1 to 19 लिखेंगे, मतलब कटआउट्स लगाएंगे with her most embarrassing pictures. But obviously हम उसके घर तो नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि कोविड चल रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है. तो I think उस दिन I'm just gonna see her like उसके घर के बाहर एंड डिस्टेंस से I'm gonna give everything. This has to be planned, you know. This is the only thing that is very confusing कि how exactly am I gonna give her the gifts, how exactly I'm gonna present the surprise. So yeah, that is the thing. But I've changed the whole thing. You might have seen those jute wires पे clipped pictures, Polaroid pictures. I did that for a friend. So I took an inspiration from that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same. There's going to be a jute wire or a ribbon something and उस पे ना हम मतलब मैं ऐसे clips लगाऊंगी. But उस clips पे there's 1 to 19 ऐसे लिखा होगा because she's turning 19. One image for every year she has lived. And because she's our friend and we love her so much, we're going to present her with the 19 most embarrassing pictures of her. This is going to be so fun. I mean, yeah. So the third thing is letters. I kind of feel like letters, handwritten letters are very, very important. I mean, you write paragraphs, you write a lot of things. No disrespect to people who do that, who like that. But I personally am a person who loves writing letters and love receiving letters. The people who are important in my life, the people I love, I've written them a lot of letters and all my friends on their birthdays and special occasions I write them letters. So I thought that we should write for Unnati as well. Of course, we love her. So letter के covers normal नहीं होने वाले हैं. The nature of relationships with her, for example, me and Unnati were very good friends. We were sisters. So Taylor is her favorite artist, and basically the fact is one thing she loves about Taylor is how she writes, you know, like उसको उसके lyrics बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically find lyrics according to the nature of relationship with every individual who's gonna write her a letter. And उस लेटर में नहीं लिखा होगा बाहर कवर पे कि वो किसने भेजा है, बस एक लेटर होगा and the lyrics will be there. She has to understand on her own कि किसने लिखा है वो लेटर, and of course when she's gonna open it and read it she'll understand, and maybe she understands this lyrics का symbolism, and if she doesn't recognize, पता है कि मतलब बाहर से पढ़ के अच्छा इसने दिया होगा वो, but when she's gonna read the letter inside she's gonna connect to it more. So it's all about the thought, it's all about, I mean, I think you're able to understand क्योंकि it's about emotions, it's about feelings. So yeah, that is the thing. Then fourth is a collage. So basically, it's going to be a big collage. I don't know it's going to be e-collage. I don't know it's going to be a practical collage, but it is going to be a collage in which there's going to be a lot of pictures of Unnati. Every picture is beautiful, embarrassing, childhood, with me, with other people, with all her friends, families, everyone, and it's going to be like, it's not just going to be like a normal collage. It's going to be like a mood board, more like, yeah, like मैं आपको explain नहीं कर सकती. There gonna be pictures somewhere on the screen for my inspiration कि exactly कैसा बनाना चाहती हूँ मैं, तो ताकि आपको कुछ समझ आ जाए कि मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. And then the fifth is, okay, so Among Us. So Among Us is a game which we used to play, and हमारा ना एक Discord पे एक server हुआ करता था क्या है, अभी भी है, and we used to play Among Us there. एंड हम ना बहुत ज़्यादा खेलते थे, एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन वी ऑल गॉट क्लोजर क्वारंटीन में, ठीक है, जो पहला लॉकडाउन हुआ था उसमें. दिस एवरीथिंग इज़ गोना गो इन अ बॉक्स. उस बॉक्स में बेसिकली स्पंज बॉब इंस्पायर्ड बॉक्स होगा, वो ब्लू मरीन जैसा वो होता है, एंड ऑल द इमेजेस में होते हैं जैसे स्पंज बॉब टाइम आता है ना, ऐसे लाइक 12 seconds later, 19 seconds later, whatever. तो हम उसमें लिखेंगे 19 years later because she's turning 19, of course. अभी तक प्लान यही है, अभी तक चीज़ें यही हैं. जस्ट इन केस आई थिंक कि कुछ और ऐड करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाउ एवरीथिंग इज गोना लुक. आई एम गोना कीप अपडेटिंग यू गाइस बिकॉज या आई लव गिफ्टिंग पीपल. I just know birthdays are very, very, very important day in your life. That is one day when you are supposed to feel special. That is one day when you, I don't know, you are supposed to be treated in a magnificent way, because सारे दिन सब अलग होते हैं. बर्थडे होता है, बर्थडे के दिन I just feel like सबको बहुत special feel करना चाहिए. And if you're my friend, if I love you and you're important to me, it is my duty, it is my, I don't know, my job. I have to make the person feel special, and this is what I do always. And I'm going to make this lockdown birthday special for Nati. भले मैं उससे मिल पाऊँ, नहीं मिल पाऊँ, मैं उससे वो गिफ्ट्स देते रहूँगी. I'm gonna, I don't know. And it's not about the gifts, you know. If you notice, all of our gifts are not like हमने खरीदे नहीं हैं वो. We are making it, because I kind of feel like handmade gifts and these DIY gifts have a special place in people's heart, and that way they get to understand that how much you mean to them, because you're putting your time and effort in it. No offense, मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि खरीदे हुए गिफ्ट्स मत दो, मैं देती हूँ, of course I give that, but according to me I prefer more DIY gifts to give people along with those gifts that I buy, because I love bombarding people with gifts. I love giving gifts. I am a giver, so yeah, that is what it is. And I'm gonna join you guys later whenever I'm gonna create something. अभी मैं enjoy रही हूँ. Bye. Hi Danishi. क्या कर रहे हो आप? ये अच्छा लग रहा है, टाइम का चार पाओगे? हाँ, so what was I saying? So अभी I am gonna find the picture that I told you about, and some quotes that I think relate to me and Unnati, quotes that she stands by, quotes that relate to her personality, and a lot random thing, because I want to create a mood board, as I said, and I'm gonna send it all to my father so that he takes a print out, वो आज अपने ऑफिस में. So yeah. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I was like कैसे प्रिंट आउट निकालूंगी, and now I was like destiny. आजकल ना I really believe in this destiny, it's meant to be, and science. I don't know why. तो जो भी है. I, Nandu, like Nandini, Yamini, we all like selected the 19 most embarrassing pictures of Unnati, and we made it in the square Instax size wala. I'm gonna show you it. We made it in this format basically. So I've asked my father to get the printout. So what is the plan is that we're gonna cut out, like I'm gonna cut out the black portion and just keep the white portion so that it looks like the Instax Polaroid wala film, because right now obviously like we cannot have the Instax for every of our embarrassing pictures. I have a lot of Polaroids with her, but usme na we look good, of course, because Polaroid is something that I'm very possessive about. Everybody is. I mean, everybody who has a Polaroid camera is very possessive about their films because they're very expensive. And yeah. So I have a friend, Abhijit, and he once said to me that Polaroid pictures, like the film jo aati hai, the photos khijti hai unse, they're not supposed to be perfect. And you know, that is the beauty of it. But I myself personally feel like, ठीक है, I get it. That is the whole point. Exactly, Polaroids are not to be perfect. But से खराब photos तो नहीं खींचोगे ना, मतलब entity तो दिखनी चाहिए ना. That's the point. So yeah. Hi you guys, I'm gonna show you the progress. So basically I'm gonna use this Kingfisher ka box, and I'm gonna cut this iska samne wala portion to make our collage, and just see how cute and nice things I found over the internet. Like it says time flies when I'm with you. Yeah, it does. And what's your favorite place? I don't have a favorite place. I have a favorite people, and whenever I am with my favorite people, it becomes a favorite place. So yeah, like I'm gonna stick these like random posters with her pictures, with pictures with me, with pictures with all my friends. And guys, I am so obsessed with this. You have to see this. You have to check this out. Oh my god, this looks so amazing. I made a Ariana one, I made a Justin one, and I made a Billy one. Yeah, I know, मैंने उस टाइम टेलर बोल दिया था, वो मैंने गलती से बोल दिया था. टेलर का we have decided to keep the lines to strictly to the letters. तो हाँ, that is it. But oh my god, this looks so pretty. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. So now I'm going to work with the collage, and yeah, and whenever I'm done with the collage, जो भी progress होगा, I'm gonna tell you guys. I'm so excited. सिर्फ 2 दिन बचे हैं उनके के बर्थडे पे, and बहुत pressure है. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste time and go and make the video. Oh sorry. I'm not gonna waste time and go and make the collage. I hope it turns out the way I want it to be. So okay, so finally I am ready with the whole collage, and you are not ready for this. I mean, oh my god, it looks so pretty. I'm gonna show you. Wait. Okay. So it looks so pretty. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Damn, it looks so amazing. I mean, the details I'm not gonna show you. I'm gonna show you when जब हम उन्नति को finally वो gift देते हैं, and in the whole reaction video I'm gonna show you then. But yeah, like the CDs and the collage, they turned out to be so great. मैंने नहीं सोचा था इतना अच्छा बनेगा, but yeah, it took me like forever. I mean, I started making it around 2 and it's 4:30 now, so yeah. And I mean, it's not that big of a like a collage, but yaar, the whole thinking कि कैसे करना है कैसे नहीं करना है took a lot of time. So yeah, anything for nothing. I love you. So now I'm just gonna go and clean everything, and I'm gonna do the rest things tomorrow. I'm gonna join you guys tomorrow, and I'm gonna show you everything. You're gonna come so long, and उन्नति के birthday के लिए सिर्फ एक दिन बचा है. Happy Eve, baby. Hi you guys. If you can see the disappointment on my face and the sleep is because I slept, as I told you yesterday, guys. I slept around 5:30ish, and I had to wake up 9 aroundish because I had a presentation. जो presentation पहले 2 बजे की क्लास में थी, but thank you to some people. ठीक है. Yeah, sound effects free के तो मैं मिलते हैं हमेशा as usual. आज कैसे नहीं मिलेंगे. So I showed Yamini and Nandu the things I made yesterday. Oh my god, they gave me such a nice reaction. I'm so happy. So yeah, that's the thing. और क्या कह रही थी मैं? God, I forgot. याद करना था. What was I saying? So they gave me such a nice reaction. I'm so happy with it. Now I'm gonna go brush and like freshen up a bit, and I'm gonna prepare everything else that is left. And I'm thinking to do a little thing कि हर चीज़ को पैक करके उसकी पैकेज को भी exclusively customize करूँ उसके लिए. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna update you guys, show you guys with everything. So yeah, and we finished. Okay, first avoid this. Avoid my face mask on my face. I'm gonna go and wash this. I look so weird in this. Surprisingly, I look very fat. My face looks fat. I don't know why. So good news is I finished everything. बस letter रह गया लिखना. So now I'm gonna write the letter. मैंने दिन में ही कर लिया था, but I was so tired because I didn't have any sleep and I had so many classes back to back. And उस classes में बहुत कुछ हो रहा था, like presentations and everything. तो मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला व्लॉग करने का क्योंकि मैं बाद में सो गई थी. I'm gonna go and watch this and join you guys. I'm back and yeah, as you can see there's no face mask on and I feel so nice. Now I feel like a human. Usme I was looking like an alien and I also wiped my t-shirt, so wait then. I made one of these gifts. Only the letter is left. As I told you, I'm gonna write it right now in front of you guys, but I'm not gonna show you what's exactly in the letter because it's intimate, it's private. But you are not ready for these gifts. So yesterday night I showed you the collage and today I covered it. Yes. So this is how it is. Obviously you're seeing it like in a mirror inversion. I'm gonna read it for you guys. It says the reason why we are such great friends is that we are nuts. And yeah, that too nuts. Drawn, I think you can see them. So yeah, it's so cute and it's so nice and I really love it. So, and I showed this to Yamini and Rati and they loved it so much. Yamini even said that she feels like crying. She's like, it's so good, and I'm just like, I really can't wait for Nati to react to this. It's gonna be everything. I love her so much. So now there's this box. So basically this is a box wherein everything is there, like the CDs and the Among Us thing I made. I'm gonna show you, don't worry. So basically it says 19 years later because she's 19 and it's basically like a time capsule kind of a thing. It's not exactly time capsule by cheese henny because if you know what a time capsule is, you basically put some things inside it and after a while you take it out, you dug it out. The motive was like to take inspiration from the SpongeBob time. उसमें ऐसे लिखा आता है like 20 minutes later, 30 minutes later, or eternity later. So yeah, 19 years later because she's turning 19. Here it's written, thank you for being my unpaid therapist. I've also written, stay close to people who feel like sunlight. And then there's this tweet which says that a real friend could never stop being a friend, remember that. So yeah, it's for the time when she feels low. And here's how the box looks from inside. And then there's this scroll kind of a thing. I'm going to open it for you guys because I realized I never really showed you the Among Us thing. So the story behind this is that me and Rati got closer when we used to play Among Us. We had a Discord server wherein we had all our friends there and we used to play a lot. Arnav used to be like the imposter the maximum number of time and I get to be the imposter. How is this possible? But yeah, sometimes I was imposter in those like games wherein there were like 3 killers, like there were 3 imposters or 2 single वाले में मैं कभी भी नहीं बनती थी and yeah, like rarely, like बहुत कम chances होते थे मेरे. So basically here's the Among Us format. If you never played Among Us, you have no clue what I'm ranting since the last 2 minutes. So basically this is how Among Us ka format looks like. So Wizard is the Shar and the Shar used to always call emergency. There, but like basically पता नहीं मैंने बस ऐसे किया. So he called the thing like, what do you call that? इसमें ना सबके नाम is written according to the names we choose, like the nicknames we choose to, you know, like play with the game. So like Yamini had Yamo-chan, Nandini had Turula, Arnav had Thiktai. So yeah, it's kind of like that. And I mean, basically इसमें लिखा होता है who's the imposter. Here I've written who's the birthday girl, and there are like few people who voted for Wizard, which is Tushar, Yamini's brother, and at the maximum one voted out Unnati. So the one you vote out is the one, you know, that goes out of the game, and basically Unnati is going out of the game because I mean, yeah, like she is the birthday girl, so she's going out of the game. So yeah, that is how it is. And so this is basically the Polaroid wala wall I created, and I told you guys that I'm gonna write numbers. So first I was thinking to write numbers here, but it didn't look nice, it wasn't looking appealing, so I wrote numbers behind, like a 1 2 3 4 19. And I know that I mean इसका कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता इतना, but I kind of feel like, yeah. 3 series I showed you the last night, and that's in it. Then there are these 5 letters. There's no letter inside yet. I'm gonna take the letters on the way when I meet Unnati. So from Nandini, Yami, everybody, I'm gonna like collect letters, put it inside it, put it in this box, and give it to her. So basically, as I told, I'm gonna write Taylor's iconic songs, lyrics here. Everything is very inverted, you cannot understand anything, so I'm just gonna read a few for you. I don't want to look at anything else now that I saw you. All's well that ends well to end up with you. Love you to the moon and to the Saturn. Darling, I fancy you. And the last one is like, I like shiny things, but I did marry you with paper rings. So it's amazing. I mean, I love them. And I just hope that she likes it. Now I'm gonna go and quickly like the letter. I mean, quickly though nahi hoga, to be very honest. I mean, it's gonna be from my heart, and I am gonna write everything I want to tell her. And I feel like I've never really told her how important she is to me. I always tell her I love you every now and then, but I feel like it's not because, you know, like writing a letter means saying everything you want to, and as it's always said that paper has more patience than people. So I mean, yeah, we are gonna make this day special for you. I love you. Happy birthday, baby. This is the day. This is the birthday night. I mean, like the birthday eve, birthday, but the 12 बज चुके हैं. Actually भी 2 बजने वाले हैं. It's already 11th. So yeah, I love you. Happy birthday for you, and I have no clue am I gonna include this in the video or not. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. This is never making to YouTube, I swear. I just finished the letter. I wrote, like, I kept ranting. I wrote a lot. I mean, I just couldn't stop, and then I finally was like, oh my god, बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. Actually, time ज़्यादा हो गया था, and I have to wake up early because I have like an exam tomorrow. So yeah, that is the thing. If you might have seen, I changed my t-shirt, like my whatever. I don't know what is this called. I like it so much. My mom calls me a hippie. She thinks that I look like a hippie, but it's so comfortable and so nice. And I have observed I tend to wear these 1 or 2 clothes like on repeat. I have these favorites, or I think I'm just too lazy to like open my wardrobe and find other clothes. The ones who are already like on my side trunk, I always like take them and keep wearing them. Yeah, one day I'm gonna clean my wardrobe. One day this is gonna happen. When is that one day coming? I have no clue, but it's gonna happen. So now I'm just gonna go and head to sleep because tomorrow is an important day. I'm so excited for the month. More than excited to. I mean, I don't know. I mean, yaar, I can't tell you, and I have no clue why am I so enthusiastic about the whole thing. But I'm just so happy because, I mean, earlier I thought to throw her a picnic on her terrace, but then COVID की वजह से ना I was not sure I would be able to see her or not. So I wanted to make gifts that like I can give her even though I can't meet her. So वैसे वैसे जाके दे दो. But now तो we're gonna see her. तो इस बार पिकनिक इस बार तो नहीं होगा. But it's gonna happen soon. जैसे जैसे सब सही होता रहेगा. We are gonna go. Yes. And I'm gonna vlog it. I vlog everything, so yeah. But I mean, you see those Pinteresty picnics? That's what I'm talking about. If you're not seeing that, go and search on Pinterest. I should go and see because I can just keep talking to you guys forever and I talk a lot. And I think I say this a lot on my vlogs, but I still talk a lot. But it's a good thing, right? I kind of feel like it is. So yeah. And also, I felt like I'm getting more familiar, I'm getting more comfortable with the camera. And do you feel the same? If you do, just like comment down below and comment on anything you want to tell me, like small talks we're gonna have it in the comment section. So yeah.